In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the percentile function in Google Sheets. This can be a powerful tool for analyzing data and understanding distributions, whether you're working on a business report, academic research, or any task requiring data analysis. It's often used to determine the value below which a certain percentage of data falls, providing insights into your dataset structure. To start, open Google Sheets and navigate to the spreadsheet with the data you want to analyze. The percentile function can be used to calculate different percentile values in your dataset. Begin by clicking cell E2, where we'll enter our first formula. Here, type in each percentile B2 B22 thous.5 and press enter. This formula will calculate the 50th percentile or the median of the data within the range B2 to B22. The 50th percentile is particularly useful because it divides your dataset into two equal halves, giving you a clear idea of the middle value. Once you've hit enter, the cell should display the result, helping you understand the central tendency of your data. Next, let's calculate another percentile by navigating to cell E4. Here, type in the formula equals percentile B2 B22 thou.75. Press enter again. This will give you the 75th percentile, which is also known as the third quartile. This number indicates the value below which 75% of the data falls, offering insight into the upper distribution of your dataset. Now, for a more comprehensive analysis, head over to cell E6. Type the formula else percentile B2 B22 thou.95 in this cell and press enter. This calculates the 95th percentile, a useful metric often employed to understand the high-end outlier range within your data, potentially flagging exceptional values or anomalies. As you apply the percentile function in each of these cells, you might notice changes in how you interpret your data. The versatility of this function allows you to compare different portions of your dataset and make informed decisions based on the spread and distribution patterns your data presents. In conclusion, using the percentile function in Google Sheets equips you with a powerful tool to dissect your data at multiple levels, from the median to the outer fringes. Practicing these steps will refine your data analysis skills and enrich your understanding of your dataset's inner workings. Remember, mastering functions like percentile elevates your analytical capabilities, whether you're developing trends, conducting in-depth analyses, or simply looking to better comprehend your data. Thanks for joining me today and happy analyzing.